Hey guys, it's Bethany and welcome back to my channel. Today is January 7th, Saturday, 2023. And I just got in my subscription box for Sterling Ink, so I thought I would go through that with you and also kind of tell you how this setup is going in my new 2023 setup. So if you want to skip just to the Sterling Ink unboxing, I will put a timestamp below and you can just boop, go right over there and it'll take you right to when I start unboxing this. But to start, we're going to, this is what I do every day. I pull out my cleaning tracker. It's 12 o'clock, so I haven't really done that much of it this morning, but it is Saturday. I did do the dishwasher. I did bathroom one. I vacuumed. I did laundry. I made the bed. And that's all. Did I do any of this? No, not so much. So today I need to do the fridge. Clean the tub. Matters. Okay. I'm like, you guys really want to hear all that. Okay, so this is just my little insert, which used to be a whole big ring planner, and I just decided these are the only sections I use, so I'm going to slide them right in here because once again, my theme this year is simplicity and use what you own. Okay, so let's go to the beginning of January. This is where we are. It is the 7th right here. I'm not really going to mark anything off on here. Sorry if you can hear my washing machine in the background, but it's got to go. It's just got to keep going. Okay, so today is the 7th, and did I put my mood in? No. So am I happy? No. Am I so-so? Meh. I've been productive, so that's 673, which is this pen, 673. So I'll mark that in on up here on the 7th. I've been productive so far. I have been a bit slow, which I would say is this one, 992. I'll mark that as a bit slow. I am not energetic. I'm not necessarily tired. I would say I'm so-so. So let's do N95. That's N75, and this is N95. So we'll mark that for so-so. So here, and then I went to sleep early last night, so choose this one, which is 623, and I think this is I'm going to color code it like this for a while. This is just an overall mood, and we'll do it for the first month to see how it goes. For my weekly goals, today is a Saturday. I haven't done my evening. I did do my self-care. I did do Buster's medicine. I don't know if I'm going to leave the house. I don't know about a no spend. But I do need to write down today. I need to pay for Amazon. Okay, how's that? Is that a little better? I'm liking this so far. The paper's very thin. I don't know, like, look. That's a year's worth. I don't know. Hopefully I can get everything I want to put in here. Today is Saturday, and let's do early. And it effing sucked. Okay. I'm not sure what I want to put back in there. Oh, I feel like I was too far. That's about good. Okay, so there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I feel like they're filling out maybe too much because I like on Friday. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just really trying to figure out if I like this, if this is going to work. I feel like I can journal. I can get my daily things done. I can track. I can do to-do lists. I still will have a memory planner. So far, I really like this. I got all of this done yesterday. Love it. And I was going to fill this thing in. And you know what? I think I'm going to leave it just so maybe there's a little blank space in there. And today is Saturday. And it is 12:30. So we are going to write in that we're going to film planning in my B6 or Estelle and Annie Plans printable, and we're going to unbox my SterlingInk sub. I think that's all I want to do in this video. These right here, if you're wondering, are just my numbers from my Aura ring. I was putting them in boxes like this because I have so many boxes that I don't use, and I feel like it delineates it pretty well, but I feel like it's really going to bulk it up. So I may just go to putting little dots with little signias. I think that's kind of cute, and maybe I'll just doodle around it. But that's what we're in today. I also just started putting in breakfast, lunch, and dinner for a little meal plan. And we'll see how it goes from there. There's nothing in the back. This goes through a full year. What else am I missing? I guess that's it, right? I like to do it currently so I know what I'm enjoying. It's kind of like look back on. Here are my numbers for YouTube. Went up by 3, and my Instagram. And I think here I will just put goals for the month. And then maybe over here I'll put if I achieved them. Or next month I'll put if I achieved those. Or maybe I'll just journal. I don't know. So we are going to open it up and see what it looks like. Now I haven't done any sneak peeks. I love this so far. This and my memory planner. That's all I'm having this year. I'm not having 20 planners. Okay. So it comes in a little box like this. Do I need to zoom out? I don't know. Let's see. I'm very excited. See, it's a true unboxing. I have not opened it. I don't know what's inside of here. Okay. Pretty. I always like to make sure there's nothing inside. Nothing in there. Look how pretty. I love blue. I don't know about you guys, but I have a thing about blues and purples. So if I could save this sticker, I am going to try. So I'm going to go very slow, and I'll speed it up so I don't pain you watching this. Okay, that went okay. It didn't go great. I feel like I lost a lot of the sticky on there, but that's okay. I'm going to save that. And let's see what's in here. Okay, now I got just the smaller subscription. I didn't get the one with all the vellum. I would love to. It's just, it's about twice as much money, and I just can't. I have so many stickers. I can't do it. It's too much. So I'm going to save this blue paper because it's a bluish purple and I like that color. I just can't justify it. So I can justify these because these are so pretty. Oh, they're purples and oh yes. Oh, okay. What's in this little card? This is probably my. Are these freebies? Oh, what? What are we talking here? Okay, there's this. Pretty. There's these little transparent stickers. This is your February, which I love. I will be putting that over my January. And this, well, these designs are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I think I might be able to layer that like that. Let's put it in frame. And there's my little sticker guy. These are the other freebies. Well, that was nice. Okay. So this is the first sheet. It is silver foil, I believe. How can I catch this foil? I mean, this is not doing it justice. It is so beautiful. So this is a piece of washi. So there's this, which is a full washi. Last time it was like cut out. These are just singular ones. This, look how beautiful that scene is right here. Oh, I love that. And then you get 2 more deco pieces that are not foiled. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And 2 more deco pieces that are foiled. I love these kits. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I really love this Sterling Ink stuff. I will continue to get this because I love to put it in this book. I put it everywhere, even put my January sticker here. I just love it. It's perfectly what I'm into right now. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. And if you think about it, please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. It really helps my channel. And if there's anything specific you want to see, leave me a comment below and I'd be really happy to do it for you. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.